Hello, today we will guide you through how to set take profit in Exness. To begin, open the Exness personal area in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading activity and access your account tools. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct section before moving forward. From there, click on Trade. This option takes you from the account overview into the area where you can open and manage trading positions. If you are new to the platform, this is an important section because it connects your account to the active trading interface. Next, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading terminal where you can place orders and adjust trading settings directly from your browser without needing separate software. Give it a few seconds to fully load so all charts and controls appear properly. When you are inside the terminal, look toward the upper part of your screen and click on a coin or trading instrument. This step is where you choose the asset you want to trade. Make sure you select the correct market before proceeding, since your take profit will apply to that specific position. After selecting the instrument, move to the upper right part of the screen and click Buy. This opens the order panel for a buy trade. At this stage, you are preparing the trade setup, and this is also where risk management settings like take profit can be added. Even though the focus here is take profit, it is always helpful to review the order details carefully before confirming anything. Now click in the field below and set the take profit according to your preference. The take profit is the price level where your trade will close automatically once your target profit is reached. This can help you lock in gains without needing to watch the market constantly. Be sure to enter a value that matches your trading plan and double check the number before continuing. Once you have entered your preferred take profit level, click Confirm. This applies the setting to your trade and finalizes the action. After confirmation, it is a good idea to quickly review the position details to make sure the take profit has been set exactly as intended. And that's it. You have successfully set a take profit in Exness. Following these steps carefully can help you manage trades more efficiently and keep your trading process more organized.